do you want to change how Microsoft Edge looks? Change it to dark mode, or maybe change the theme. Let me show you how. So go to this three dots on the top right corner of your screen, and then choose settings. While you're on settings, from the left panel choose appearance, and then overall appearance is where you choose your default theme. You can either set it to system default or choose light theme or dark theme. Now if you want a custom theme, select one of these themes available here. You've got plenty of colors to choose from, and then if you want additional themes, you click here, and then it takes you to the store, Microsoft Edge store, where you can download and install additional themes. So play around with these, customize, and if you found something that meets your matches your taste, let me know by dropping a comment below. Thanks for watching.